It is a common and frustrating problem when your YouTube app keeps crashing. This is usually due to a software glitch and it's easy to fix. I'll walk you through the top solutions to get your app back up and running. Start with these 3 quick checks. Check your internet. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Switch between them to test. Stop the app. Go to your phone settings, apps, YouTube, then tap Force Stop. Reopen the app to see if it works. Restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix many temporary software issues. Press and hold your power button and select Restart. An overloaded or corrupted cache is a common reason for crashing. Go to Settings, Apps, then YouTube. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. This will not delete your downloads or account data. Annotated app version might be incompatible with your phone system. Go to the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon in the top right, tap Manage Apps and Devices, and check for an available update for YouTube. Tap Update if one is found. If all else fails, a clean installation is the best way to fix a corrupted app. Go to the Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and tap Uninstall. Once uninstalled, tap Install to re-download a fresh version of the app. You'll need to log back in, but this should resolve any deep-seated issues. If your app is still crashing, check your phone's internal storage to make sure you have enough space.